Okay, this is part 3 of video, and the last one got cut off due to the minutes. I mean, I didn't have enough space in my cell phone to record the video. Okay, so we're doing graphing. Okay, plotting ordered pairs or points and plotting, or plotting a line onto a coordinate plane. Okay, so we're going to go over here and continue with our example. And we're just going to make a coordinate plane here. I gave you an example of one right here on number 1. So we're going to redo this, and we're going to graph some points. And so I'm just going to make a good size coordinate plane right here. Okay, and since I know I need some room for this one up here, I'm going to go a little bit lower. You should do that too. Okay, so this, of course, is my x value. This is x positive. This is x negative. This is the x-axis. It goes horizontally. This is the y-axis, the positive part. The y-axis, the negative part. Okay, and I'm going to put in, since we're only going to for the x's, it's going to be 1, 2, keep it simple. We'll do 3, we don't need it. 1, 2, negative, -1, -2, -3. And we'll do just a -1 here. We'll go up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that will be 8. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and this is 1, 2, 3, 3 on the x-axis. So our first point, -2, 1. Remember that x is the independent variable. It represents the x values. This is our x number line. So we're going to go over to -2, start there, and we want to go to -1. -1 is here. So the place where these two meet is about right there. Okay, so our next point is -1, +2. So we're starting remember the x this is the x values, this is the y values. So we -1, +2. -1 is here, but now we're going to go to +2. Those 2 points meet about those two. Yeah, the ordered pair is about here at -1 and +2. 0, 5. This is actually 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, 2, 3, and going up as well. So we don't go left or right, and we just go straight up to 5. We put this one right there. All right, next one is 1, 8. So we go over 1, we go all the way up here, keep it about the same space, put it about right there. Okay, so now we can take a straight edge, and I'll take this little card right here. I'll set this down. I'm going to put a straight edge. You can take your ID badge or whatever, and since we know this is a line without explaining it, I'm going to connect these right here, these points. Okay, I'm going to put my phone down for a second. So I'm going to draw a line right here, and I'm going to make arrows on both ends. Okay, I drew the line, so I'm putting arrows, right, an arrow here, an arrow here. This indicates that the graph continues to grow, to go forever in both directions. Now, we also have 211, but there's no space on the graph. 211 would be way up here past like 9, 10, 11, be way up here somewhere. And then 1550 is way off the graph. There's no way to show it, but it'd be something like this way up here, maybe, or even farther off the graph. Okay, so that is plotting points, that is graphing points, and also making a line. All right, that's graphing. Okay, next one. Got to watch the time here because I'm very little on my cell phone. And so we finished the front. Yeah, we finished the front page. all right, is completely finished. So we're also going to put here C number 12 right here. C number 12. C number 12. And whoops. C number 12. Okay, so that's it. All right, so going to the next page. So number 9, a way to tell if an ordered pairs graphed or if a line or if a curved line or straight line is a function. All right, and that is called the straight line test. Making sure that's number 9. Vertical line test. Okay, we're looking for vertical line. Whoops, I'm here. Okay, where is that? Vertical line test. We're writing this in for number 9. Okay, vertical line, and just squeeze it up here. Test. A way to tell if a curved line is a graph. So I'll do a very quick example right here. Okay, so you might have a curved line that looks something like this, all right? And if you can take a straight, vertical straight line, so this is your y-axis. So this is your y, and this is your y-axis, okay? If you could take any straight line, including this line right here, it touches the curved line more than one time, and if it does that, it is not a function. So this curved line right here is not a function, right? If I have another one, okay, and if I have a line that looks something like this, okay, we'll learn about this in maybe next semester, but there is no place where I can put a vertical line where it will touch this 2 times, okay? This one is touching it 1, 2, 3 times. Automatically, it's not a function, it's a relation. If it touches it once only, so if I put a vertical line there, once only. If I put a vertical line here, it touches it once only, all right? So I'm going to put in